Before buying a gimbal head for your tripod, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, K&F Concept Tripod. First up is the K&F Concept 64-inch camera tripod. This one's priced at $49.99, and honestly I was drawn to its sleek design and lightweight build. If you want a dependable, portable tripod that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 360-degree ball head allows for smooth panning, which is crucial for capturing landscapes or moving subjects. With its quick flip leg locks, you can set it up in seconds, which is perfect when you're on the go. Plus, it folds down to just 15.5 inches, so it's easy to carry wherever you shoot. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 4,200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. Here's the thing though, as long as you're not shooting in extreme winds, this tripod holds its ground pretty well for most situations. This is perfect for you if you're a travel photographer or vlogger looking for something lightweight and budget-friendly. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty performance for larger setups. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the load capacity of K&F Concept bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, K&F Concept Gimbal Head. Next up is the K&F Concept Aluminum Alloy 360-degree panoramic gimbal tripod head, retailing at $80.98. Right away, I was impressed by its sturdy build and smooth functionality. If you want a gimbal that can handle heavier lenses, this is worth a serious look. It features a 360-degree rotation, allowing you to capture stunning panoramic shots with ease. The upgraded lubricant used in this model ensures smoother operation, and the excellent sealing prevents grease leakage, which is crucial for maintenance. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 467 reviews, users appreciate its stability and performance in diverse shooting conditions. Now, some users reported that the locking mechanisms can feel a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, those stiffer locks actually help prevent accidental camera shifts during use. This is perfect for you if you're into wildlife photography and need stability with larger lenses. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight and compact setup. It's a solid investment for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a premium experience. Product number 3, Wimberley MH100. Now let's talk about the Wimberley MH100 mono gimbal head priced at $179. I'll be real with you, this gimbal head has a premium feel and it's made in the USA, which really caught my attention. If you want top-notch functionality, this is worth a serious look. Why is this a game changer for you? Its gimbal-type design lets you easily maneuver large lenses around their center of gravity, which is a game changer when you're tracking fast-moving subjects like birds. Weighing just about 0.77 pounds, it's compact yet rugged, and it's made of anodized aluminum for durability. Users have rated it 4.7 stars out of 459 reviews, and they love its smooth tilt movement without any wobbliness. Now, some people mention the price is a bit steep. Here's the thing though, for serious photographers, the quality and durability justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a professional looking for something that can handle the demands of wildlife or sports photography. Skip this one if you're just starting out and don't need high-end features. For those who need reliability, it's worth the splurge. Now, if that price tag wasn't your cup of tea, the next option is a bit more budget-friendly while still offering great features. Product number 4, NEWER GM102. Coming in at $149.99, the NEWER GM102 gimbal head is a fantastic choice. I genuinely appreciated its solid build and the fact that it can handle up to 33 pounds. If you want versatility and stability, this is worth a serious look. Plus, its lightweight aluminum construction makes it portable, and the hollowed-out design reduces weight while maintaining strength. With a 4.4-star rating from 662 reviews, users rave about its reliability for birdwatching and sports photography. Now, some folks noted that the knobs can be a bit tricky to adjust quickly. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the adjustments become second nature, and you'll appreciate the secure hold they provide. This is perfect for you if you're a wildlife photographer looking for something that balances portability and performance. Skip this one if you primarily shoot in a studio and don't need the mobility. For the price, it's a strong competitor. Alright, that was a solid option. But the last one on my list promises an even smoother shooting experience. Product number 5, NEWER GM101. Finally, we have the NEWER GM101 gimbal tripod head priced at $129.99. This one really stood out for its smooth camera movement and heavy-duty capabilities. If you want an affordable yet effective gimbal, this is worth a serious look. Why is this a good fit for you? The bearing structure ensures smooth movements, which is crucial for capturing clear shots of fast subjects. Plus, the 360-degree panning base lets you shoot stunning panoramas effortlessly. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 662 reviews, users appreciate its stability and user-friendly design. Now, some users have had issues with the tightening knobs feeling a bit loose. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable gimbal at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight for travel. It offers great value for serious photographers. To wrap it up, we covered a range of gimbal heads, from the K and F concept tripod for budget travelers to the Wimberley MH100 for pros. Each option has its strengths, so choose what fits your shooting style best. In summary, we've explored 5 fantastic gimbal heads that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for you. Remember, the right gimbal head can make a significant difference in your photography experience. Happy shooting!